I uploaded this video yesterday, which was just a video of me doing some live trades. And I got this question from one of my viewers, from Michael. I appreciate your question, Michael. It's a very good question. Michael says, "Hey mate, I see you're using ComSec. Would you be able to explain the different levels 1 to 4 in the option trading in ComSec when setting up your account?" Yeah, good question. The ComSec website talks about the different trading levels. When you apply for a ComSec options account, you'll be asked to select a trading level based on your previous options trading experience and your understanding and acceptance of risks involved. There are 4 options trading levels which determine the type of strategies you can use on your account and the levels of risk involved. As you gain experience, you can move to a higher level by completing a ComSec trading level upgrade form. The website also talks briefly about the different levels. Basically, level 1, you can just buy options. That's it. Buy to open, meaning you put up the money, you buy the options. Level 2, you can buy to open, so that's level 1 plus. You can also sell fully covered calls, meaning if you own stock, let's say you own 100 BHP shares, you can use your BHP shares as collateral to then write some call options over them. There's no risk on ComSec's part because they're holding on to the stock that you own. If the call options expire in the money, you give up your shares to the person who is calling you away on the options contract. Level 3, you can buy to open, you can sell fully covered calls and or sell cash covered calls. So this is basically level 1, level 2 and the added benefit of being able to sell cash covered calls, meaning rather than owning the stock, you don't own the BHP shares, but you can write essentially cash covered calls saying, I don't own the BHP shares, but I'll sell 100 contracts or 1 contract or 10 contracts over BHP, but rather than putting up BHP as collateral, I'll put up the cash. Same thing. Very similar thing. Level 4, and that's the level that I'm at, is you have advanced multi-leg strategies. So you can do cash covered calls, cash covered puts, option strategies that involve 2 or more legs. So your bull call spreads, your bear put spreads, your condors, your butterflies, all those sorts of things, which I haven't talked about in any of these videos yet. They're more advanced strategies. So when you log into your ComSec account, as I've just done here, you'll be able to see your different trading level. And in my options trading account, you can see I've got an Australian shares account, I've got a general bank account, I've got international shares so I can buy and sell shares in the US markets and other markets other than just Australia. And in my options account, you can see that I'm trading at level 4. And if you've watched a few of my videos over the last week or so, I've sold a whole heap of cash secured puts and they're holding on to about 16 grand of my money or so at the moment. And that changes daily, hence cash secured. If you look at my videos, I'm actually exposed to close to 70,000 bucks worth of shares, or maybe slightly over now. They're not taking the whole 70 grand out of my account. They have this margin scenario where they'll take certain amounts of it, and that changes and fluctuates on a daily basis. Today it's about 16 grand. Now, in order to get to level 4, you've got to complete a questionnaire and fill out a form. So you've actually got to do like a little online course so that they know that you have the required understanding to trade at this level. If I go into my profile, under my profile icon, gives me a whole heap of information, but essentially you can see that I've completed the options questionnaire and I've completed the options knowledge assessment. Essentially, ComSec need to know what your understanding of options trading is. If your options trading knowledge is just basic, they're only going to let you buy calls and puts. That's it. Buy calls, buy puts. That's it. If you can show you've got a little bit more understanding, if you do have some basic option trading knowledge, the questionnaire is not that difficult, but they need to know that you understand the risks involved before you start selling cash secured puts or calls, or even jump into the next level where you can do covered calls over stock that you own. They need to know that you understand what you're getting involved with. Now, in order to upgrade your account, in your settings, you can click on this little box here that says Forms and Brochures, and that'll take you over to this page here, and by default it lands on Australian shares. Click on Derivatives, and under Derivatives there's a form here, which is the one you want to fill out, which is the level change for exchange traded options, which is used to apply to move to a higher or lower options trading level. Don't know why you'd need to apply to drop down a level, but anyway. I think by default, if you apply for an options account, don't quote me because obviously I don't work for ComSec. I think they set you up at a level 1 and then you need to apply to go to a level 2, 3 or 4. And this is what the form kind of looks like. So you fill out the form, you go through it, you sign it, you give all your details, you send it into them. This is part of the form. And it tells you on here about the different levels, what you want, 1, 2, 3 or 4. As I've explained, level 1's simply for buying calls and puts and selling them, obviously. Only selling the ones that you've already bought. Just like you can buy stocks and sell stocks, you can buy and sell calls and puts. Level 2 is buying calls and puts and selling covered calls. So if you own the stock, you can sell call options over the stock you own. Level 3, as we've talked about, is selling calls over stock you don't own, but putting up the cash instead. And level 4 is all of the levels plus selling uncovered puts. But you do have to do an online assessment as well, and it tells you how to do that. Log into your website, click here, click here. So it's pretty straightforward. Once you've filled out the form, follow the instructions, it's pretty simple. And you'll get a reference that you've passed the test, if of course you pass it. So it is an online assessment, questionnaire, multi-choice kind of test. It's a test. Takes about, 10, 20 minutes to do. Just a whole bunch of multiple choice questions about options trading. It's not overly difficult if you've got a fairly good grasp on options trading. So hopefully this video's helped and has answered the question you had, which was a great question, which many others would probably benefit from as well. Let me know if this has helped or if you've got any other questions. Thanks again for your comment.